Sweet sugar loaf pine, I decided that no part of it should waste. I'm going to take the skins, rinse them off, and make some juice. So I'm going to rinse these off. Rinse these off. So I add boiling water to the pineapple skin. Make sure they are covered up. Right. I'm seal tighting this. I seal tight this in boiling water and then leave it for anywhere over an hour so the flavor can infuse out into the water. And that's the start for my pineapple juice. So here I cut some fresh ginger, and I also have the core of the pineapple. You know, that trunk in the middle that is kind of hard that we don't eat. Sometimes we just eat the soft sweet part around it. Yes, those are helping to make this juice. So I'm going to blend those in the blender. I use the same liquid that I have on the pineapple skins, that hot water. It's now cool. I use it to blend. I use it to blend out this fresh ginger and fresh pineapple core. So I'm going to strain the juice over into this jug. So I'm going to go ahead and sweeten this with granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar, but I choose to use granulated sugar. And then I'm going to squeeze some lime juice. And I'm going to stir that. I sweeten it to my desire. I don't want it too sweet. I'll put it in a cup with some ice and it is served.